Okay, a couple days ago I did a program at the library on how to make a dog paw print magnet, and someone suggested to me that I tried making dog treats next, so that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna be making homemade peanut butter dog treats. And what I have here is 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, and to that I'm gonna add 1 egg. And I'm gonna add a cup of peanut butter. And to that, I'm gonna add a cup of water. And the last thing I'm gonna add is I've got 2 tablespoons of honey that I'm gonna add. And now you just want to mix this up until a dough starts to form. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to lightly flour your surface and get your ball of dough and go ahead and roll it out to about 1/2 of an inch thick. Alright, once you have your dough rolled out, go ahead and grab a cookie cutter. I've got this dog bone cutter. And just go ahead and start cutting out your dog treats. Alright, now that I have all my dog treats cut out, I'm gonna put these in a 350-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Well, they just came out of the oven. The other pan's in there right now, but I wanted to show you they firmed up as they were cooking in the oven. So now I've got to let these cool off before I give any to my dog. So I just wanted to let you see what they look like when they come out. They don't rise or anything like that. So you can put a lot like this on a cookie sheet close together and you don't have to worry about them running together.